I guess, yeah, you always want to try something new, experiment on things. You want to see what works, what doesn't, and there's no harm in trying, right? And wala naman may mawawala sa'yo eh. So we are here at our long-term residency here at Radisson Blu. For now, it's short term because we really don't have a home yet. On August, wala na kami sa kuya. Ito yung kuya for now. Dito muna kami magpa-park. Dito muna kami magpaparada for the meantime habang naghahanap kami ng permanent naming bahay. Musta? Ang family mo?
My mother. Parang selfie kami.
Oo naman. Okay naman yung servisyo.
Okay naman.
Yung nag-serve sa inyo yata bago eh.
Ay, uy! Kayo, sino mo?
Sana pang ka matutulog mamaya. Kuya!
Talaga.
Hi, Jack. How are you?
Anyo.
Kamusta? Chef Dong.
Caldereta.
Okay. Okay. Garlic rice.
Opo. Caldereta! May garlic rice ka pa dyan?
Saan tayo okay? Naka 20 orders ka na? Nice. Kamusta tayo ngayong araw?
Ayos lang. Matao naman. It's naman din yung sorry. Tsaka masarap din yung pagkain na ilalabas.
Mabenta yung kare-kare ngayon.
Mabenta po. Puro kare-kare.
Nice, nice.
Okay, your order! Pineapple chilies, tuyo fried rice, calabares, caldereta! Yes, sir!
Hi, good evening guys. So balita ko first time nyo?
Yes, it's our first time here in Kuya.
Ever?
Ever.
Sa 4 years.
Yes.
So hindi kayo napadpad sa Marina?
Yes, and gusto namin i-celebrate here yung birthday ng mother namin. She's in heaven right now, so we want to celebrate.
Mommy, thank you so much. You're doing well.
Yes,
and
thank you.
kikikain ka rin dito sa amin ha.
Yes, of course. Tama yan.
Anong favorite ni Mommy dito?
Actually, lahat.
Pero kung may isa?
Ito.
Yung sisig.
Yes, sisig.
Sige, amen, amen.